To start, launch the TraCS icon. When prompted to log in, type in your user ID and password. The first time that you use TraCS after MFA is set up, you will be prompted to scan the image to add it to your Authenticator app. For this demonstration, I am going to use Duo. Microsoft Authenticator and Google Authenticator will work as well. Please be sure that any third-party app that you use to authenticate is approved by FDLE prior to use. After you scan the barcode, it should issue you a 6-digit code. Type it in and press OK. Next, you will be prompted with a system use notification. You will be required to press accept in order to continue logging in. This concludes the demonstration.